Alright, welcome back. Let's start our picking journey of trucking lock. This is the cheap one. I hope I can pick it out of a box very quickly. So let's get into it and try to pick it open. So one test, I had an IKEA lock before and I could open it without anything. Okay, that doesn't work on this one. Because I have an IKEA lock still somewhere around. It looks basically the same. Did I already break the core? No, I did not, right? Holy I think I already broke the core. Yes, I split the core. Ah, shoot. Let me zoom in and you can see. See the core split. One second in my hands and it is broken. God damn it. Alright, so let's try to maybe rake it open or something. So yeah, that was quick. Alright, so after a couple tries, I really can't turn the core anymore. The key does work, but this thing is broken. So yeah, we will not further investigate this shitty lock. I raked it once and basically first time I tried to tension it, it broke the core, as you can see there. Alright, so that's it with this shitty little lock. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.